Hello everyone, it's Najma. Today I'm going to teach you a series of exercises to strengthen your bones, to make your bones stronger and help you stand straighter. You can strengthen your bones, improve your bone quality, your bone mass by exercising. You know that it's important to get out in the sun to get some vitamin D, to eat healthy products that have calcium to improve your bone health. But exercising is also very important. Usually low impact resistant exercises have been prescribed for patients to improve their bone health. We're going to do a series of specific exercises that have been shown by studies and research to improve your bone mass and your bone quality. Just before we get started, for you to understand how these exercises work, I'm going to show you a model. So imagine this is your spine. Imagine these little rings are your bones, and the elastic that is holding them together up is your muscles. Okay? So if these muscles that are attached to your bones, that are really deep attached to your bones, were not there, were not contracting and working all day, you would just collapse. Okay? These muscles, they help you fight gravity all day. They're working non-stop 24 hours a day to help you sit up, stand up, fight against gravity. By contracting these muscles, doing specific exercises, it's going to pull, they're attached to your bones, so it's going to pull on your bones, put some tension on these bones, that's going to stimulate bone formation. And because they work all day, 24 hours a day, to fight against gravity and not let you collapse, the way we're going to work them, it's going to be every single exercise, you're going to have to hold every repetition 5 seconds and only doing it 5 times. It's not like working big, large muscles of your arms to bring something up to your mouth. You do a couple of times during the day. But these muscles, they're working non-stop. So we're going to work them by holding them for a long time and doing a few repetitions, maybe just 5 to start, then 8, and then we can work ourselves up to 12. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can hit the subscribe button now. So for these exercises, the only thing you're gonna need is a couple of towels to make yourself a little bit more comfortable. So we're going to start in a laying down position. And we're going to start working ourselves from head to toe. So if in this position laying down on your back, your head is this way and you don't feel comfortable, your neck doesn't feel comfortable, you can use one of these towel rolls and put it behind your head, this way. Same thing, if your shoulder doesn't feel comfortable and you feel a lot of pulling because you're tight here, you feel a lot of pulling, you can make yourself comfortable by putting a towel roll here. So the idea of these towel rolls is to fill up any gap you have between yourself and the floor if you feel too much tension and pulling, so you can be comfortable. Ideally, as you do these exercises, eventually you don't want to have to use any pillows, any towel rolls to fill up any gap. But to start, you want to be comfortable. First exercise, you're going to be trying to push the back of your head down into the floor. Okay? You try to keep your chin in, okay? And then you're going to push the back of your head here into the floor. And you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these exercises, I want you to do them 5 times. But for this video, we're going to do all of them only 2 times, okay? So we're going to do it again. You're going to push the back of your head into the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So always starting with a series of 5 repetitions, then you can work yourself up to 8 repetition and then 12 repetition. The second exercise, it's going to be pushing your shoulders down into the floor. So you imagine, so for example, if you have this towel, for example, or even if you have nothing, you imagine you have big sponges filled with water underneath your shoulders on both sides, and you want to take all the water out of the sponge. So you're pulling your shoulders down, taking all the water out of the sponge for a count of 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the idea is not going too far. You might feel like you're not moving, and that's the way it's going to work, because when you're sitting, standing, these muscles, the way they work, it's not moving your body, but just maintaining it, sustaining it. So even if you don't feel like you're moving and it's not a big movement, it's fine. You just want to hold that tension, that contraction. Okay, one more time. We're going to bring the shoulders down into the floor, taking the water out of the sponge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 2. I want you to do it 5 times. The next one, for your upper body, it's going to be lifting one arm up, and you can lift it up to whichever area feels comfortable for you. So if lifting your arm up to here, that's just as far you can go, that's fine. You don't have to go further up, okay? So you're going to be going as far as you feel comfortable, okay? Don't go through pain if you can go all the way here. And then you want to lengthen your arm, okay? You want to imagine you're trying to reach as far as you can above your head, okay? So you're going to feel pulling on the side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. Again, you lift your arm, you stop where it feels comfortable, and you try to reach as far as you can above your head, pulling. You're going to feel pulling on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You lift your arm as far as you feel comfortable, and then you're going to try to reach above your head as far as you can from your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. You lift your arm up and you try to reach as far as you can for a count of 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to do it 5 times to start, okay? The next one you're going to do, you're going to be working your way down, okay? So you can do this one when you're squeezing your butt and you're going to try to lift your butt as far as you feel comfortable. So even if you can lift it high at all and you're just maybe just there, that's fine, or just a little bit. If you have pain in your back, you can just stay there and hold it for a few seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can lift it up and you're okay with it, you can lift it up, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. Then for your legs, you're going to bring your legs down, okay? And then if your knees or your hips are tight and you have some space here, okay, space under your legs, you can use these towel rolls to fill in this gap, okay, because you want to be comfortable. You don't want to have to hold your leg up because you're tight. You want to be comfortable. So this exercise, you're going to imagine you want to push into those towels. You're going to push your leg down into the towel for a count of 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You relax. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to do the same on the other side. If your knees are not too tight, you don't have to put a towel, okay? You push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. You want to do that 5 times to start. The next one, you're going to bring your toes up and you want to press your heel down. You imagine you're pressing it away from your body, down. You want to make your leg as long as you can, okay? So you bring your toes up and you press your heel down. You're going to feel pulling again on the side of your body. You're bringing and pressing your leg down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. Again, toes up. Press your heel down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to keep your legs straight, toes up, and press your heel down. Okay? You press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. You bring your toes up and your heel down away from your body. And you're going to feel pulling on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. To go back to the upper body, so you can use some light bands. So the good thing about elastic bands is it has little resistance and you can really start with low level exercises, okay? So I'm going to use one red one. Every color has a different resistance. So one exercise you can start with for the upper body, it's going to be, you're going to take your elastic band, always start with the lightest one, lightest color. You're going to pull out, always keep your head pressed down. You're going to pull out and you keep that tension, a little tension, whatever you can get. And then you're going to maintain that tension as you go up above your head. You can hold there for 2-3 seconds and then you come down and you relax, okay? So you're going to pull out to get some tension on the band. You're going to lift up, hold it there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you come back down. If you can hold it up for 5 seconds, just hold it for 1 or 2 seconds at first. So same thing with this, you can start with 5 times. Next, you can do chin in. You're going to bring one arm out. You hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. You're going to do the same thing on the other side, 5 times, holding 5 seconds. And then you can finish doing both of them together. Pulling them out, holding 5 seconds at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. Same thing with this, you do 5 of these, okay? Pulling out, holding 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. You do it 5 times to start with. If you can hold it 5 seconds, hold less. And then you work yourself up to 8 repetition and then 12 repetition. Okay? And another one for your trunk you can do is squeezing your belly button in. So your belly button is going to go, your stomach is going to go down into the floor, and then you're going to bring one leg up like this at 90, and you're going to hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. And then again, you're going to squeeze your stomach in, lift your leg up at 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. And you do the same thing with the other leg. You squeeze your stomach in, you lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you relax. And same thing, we start with 5 of these. Okay? I want you to do these exercises every day, once in the morning, once at night, laying down on your back, which is the easiest position to start with. And please let me know, comment below which exercises have helped you the most. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and stay healthy.